Hey, it's KiWi on the street.
I'm Kiki.
And I'm Winnie. And today we've got another challenge, the sound effects challenge. Okay, here's the first one.
Okay,
ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Very good. That was a howl. I was picturing a howl.
Okay.
Yeah.
Usually who howls?
Wolves do it. Dogs do it. Yeah. Werewolves too, you know?
Yeah.
Mythical creatures. They do it usually when there's a full moon, right before they change.
Or they try to communicate with their family members.
Okay, yeah, that's true too. Okay, I have another one. Ready? Okay, ready?
Okay.
That was really good. I did a rooster's crow, Kiki's alarm clock. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's a little dramatic.
It's a groaning sound.
Yeah, it's a groan.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so it's usually when you're in discomfort,
Yeah,
you're annoyed.
You feel uncomfortable.
Yeah,
you usually groan.
3 out of 3, not bad. Okay. If you have any more facial expressions or sound effects you want us to do, please send it to us. But that's all we have for today. Remember to follow us on Instagram. Send us a DM or an email if there's something you want to say in English, but you just don't know how. Kiki, is there anything else you want to say? Winnie is so amazing and awesome. KiWi later!